Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, we're gonna do something different than usual. Since it's October, I was thinking, what should I do for the Halloween, like Halloween special? What did I do on last Halloween? I cooked. Oh, yeah. Wasn't it the year before? Not sure, but I cooked something for the Halloween. But this year, I want to do something different. So today, we're gonna do mukbang and find it out about Korean ghosts. I don't really know Korean ghosts either, so we're gonna find it out together. So I ordered spooky, can I call spooky hamburger? I don't know, hamburger cannot be spooky, but I got the special Halloween meal from the Burger King. This is what it looked like. Guinness Halloween Whopper. Fries and some Coke. I don't know if this Whopper is only available in Korea or not, but let's take a look. Ooh, I actually never seen a black bun. And it actually looks super cool and it's huge, look at it. Inside there's a tomato, some lettuce and mayo, deep fried chicken, not sure, and a patty, and an onion, and some barbecue sauce I believe. Looks really good. I got some special fries, which is truffle fries. Oh my gosh, once I opened it, I can smell the truffle so much. Oh, it smells really good. I think it's a truffle and a cheese. And zero coke. 잘 먹겠습니다. It tastes super good. It tastes pretty much similar to the normal Whopper, but there is a fried chicken that adds a more flavor. And compared to normal Whopper, it's kind of spicy, like a more smoky and a more spicy flavor. And I really like it. But bun itself, I don't think there's a different taste. It's a very good bun though. It's very jorgy and I like it. Let's talk about Korean ghosts. Let me search it. 한국 gwishin. 한국의 토속 귀신에는 어떤 것이 있을까? Ooh, this is very useful. They did a little survey. Which ghost is most scary to Koreans? Number 5, 홍콩할매 gwishin, which is a Hong Kong grandma ghost. Before I start talking about the 홍콩할매 gwishin, I want to say this ghost is not from Hong Kong. It's Korean ghost. This was really popular when I was young. I don't really know the story, but my mom always told me like, if you don't listen to me well, 홍콩할매 gwishin will kidnap you. So
and take you to Hong Kong?
I don't know, they kidnap me and kill me or something. I don't think she say kill me. She just say 홍콩할매 gwishin will take you. I heard that a lot, so 홍콩할매 gwishin is super familiar. But I don't really know the story behind that. She is half grandma and half cat. That's all I remember.
Were you scared of her when you were young?
Yeah, as a grandma goes, so, and she's half cat. 홍콩할매 gwishin. Oh my gosh, see? She's super scary!
Cool. That's really dope.
That's super scary! Okay, let's find out about her. Let me try the fries before I start. Oh my god, it's so boozy as heck. Is it really from the Burger King? I feel like I went to the really nice hamburger restaurant and ordered French fries. Since I ordered it, it's not crispy, but the flavor is like truffle. They put whole mushroom in my mouth. Okay, 홍콩할매. What's up, 괴담 in English. 괴담 영어로 어떻게 얘기하나요? Ghost story. Yeah, that's what I thought. 홍콩할매 ghost story started late 1980s and it was super big in Korea. Even in the news, they were talk about it.
Oh, it's like Slenderman.
What? Where's a Slenderman?
Big, tall, scary dude. Really thin.
Nope. Never seen it.
That's when I was in junior high. He was so popular.
There was a grandma that loves cat and got onto the plane to Hong Kong. Somehow, the plane crashed and she died. And should I talk with scary voice? Long time ago, there was a grandma who likes the cat. How scary is it? Anyway, when she was in the plane, she had a cat that was in her carry-on and she died with the cat. But somehow, the spirit of the cat and grandma got mixed like a fusion and became half human and half cat. After this, she came back to Korea. She started murdering the elementary school. Oh, that's why my mom was always saying she will kidnap you. She will murder elementary schooler on the way back to their home. And they say every detail will be different depending on the cities. So characteristic of the 홍콩할매 ghost is half human and half cat, and ability, she can sprint 100 meters in 10 seconds. So no matter how fast you are, you can't run away unless you're Usain Bolt. And she's kidnapping the kindergarten, so it's basically impossible. Before she killed the elementary schoolers, she asked few questions, but if you answer it with the Hong Kong at the end, you can survive. So I guess, what's your name? My name is Kwon's Corner, Hong Kong. Then I can survive. I didn't know that. Then if I knew it, I wouldn't be scared. This should be a ghost story, but it's like, I don't know, becoming a weird story. 엄마야, 어딜 가고 있느냐? I don't know, that's not grandma at all.
Not grandma at all.
엄마야, 어딜 가고 있느냐? 집에 가고 있어요. 홍콩! Then I'll be survived. This is not what I expected. 홍콩! She check your nails. If there's a dirt on your nail, she will kill you.
Check your nails.
Oh, I'm gonna die! There's the dirt! Oh, but there's a way to avoid it. When you're showing her the nail, if you bend your nail, you can survive! Until boy down. Then I can survive. They're guessing like a lot of parents add those things because they wanna make their children to wash their hand more. Makes sense. And the 홍콩할매 gwishin is asking your address. If you tell them the address, they're gonna come to your house and kill you. And that's some like parents add, so kid doesn't tell the address to the stranger. And sometimes they call your name through the window, and if you open the window, you get murdered. I don't know, when I read this, seems like parents made it up to educate the kids. So you don't tell like strangers the address and not open the window so like robber can come in. That's what it sounded like. But I don't know, somehow it was super scary when I was young.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna call my mom and find out whether she even remembers it. It's a really long time ago.
It's not popular anymore?
No, I mean I'm not a kid, so.
여보세요?
엄마, 어릴 때 완전 막 초등학생 유치원 때
그래
엄마 말 안 들으면 홍콩할매 귀신이 막 잡아간다 그랬잖아.
그래 잡아가지.
어? 잡아가나?
응.
그거 어디서 들은 거야?
그런 거는 옛날에 우리 엄마한테.
엄마한테?
어.
홍콩할매 귀신 근데 80년대 나왔다는 건데?
진짜? 근데 홍콩할매 귀신 말고 그럼 딴 귀신이 와가 잡아간다 했겠지?
딴 귀신이 잡아간다 했는데 내 어릴 때는 홍콩할매 귀신이 나왔으니까.
그렇지.
아.
근데 그걸 아직도 기억하니?
기억하지? 그 뉴스에도 나왔다는데? 맞아?
무슨 나는 걸 모르는데 엄마는.
몰라? 엄마 홍콩할매 귀신 뭐 기억나는 건 있어?
지금 엄마가 기억도 별로 안 나지. 그때 그게 한참 그런 게 유행했으니까 너네
맞지.
나한테 재밌게 해주려고 얘기했겠지.
뭐 그렇겠지?
응.
무서워했어 엄마 나?
너?
어.
넌 엄청 무서워했지.
아예? 뭘 무서워해? 안 무서워했겠지.
아이들 넌 엄청 무서워했다니까.
겁 많았어?
겁은 별로 없었는데 그런 걸로 무서워했지.
아, 귀신 무서워했구나.
어.
그럴 수 있지.
형은 더 무서워했고.
형은 더 무서워했어?
형은 겁이 많아서.
맞아, 형 겁 많아.
그렇게 얘기하면 밖에 나가지도 못하고 이랬지. 보고 싶다 얘가.
나도 보고 싶어요.
그렇지.
보고 싶. 아빠 끊어.
아니.
끊어.
아빠 재밌게 한다고 그러는 거야. 안녕 사랑해.
나 사랑해요. It's been super long, so she doesn't remember the detailed story, but she still remembered the 홍콩할매 gwishin, and that's very surprising. I want to ask like a little kid, like these a kid, and they will know this ghost or not. I'm kind of curious, but I don't know any kids, so. Spicy. Oh, my lips kind of burning. I really like it. It's like the spiciness is making me wanna eat more. Next one is Grim Reaper. Korean Grim Reaper is really different than the Western one. The Western one is like wearing some kind of like whatchamacallit, the robe, black robe with that knife, like. Yeah, side, and sometimes they have some kind of chain. That's what it looked like. But Korean Grim Reaper is wearing a hanbok with the black and wearing the Korean hat, and very scary. I'm gonna show you the picture. Just wait. 저승사자. Ooh, that was super scary. Ooh, super good. I'm getting a goosebump. Yeah, I mean. I remember when I was young, I watched some drama or something and I was getting sweating.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Just the spicy burger.
Maybe, I don't know. 저승사자 is the worker for King Yeomlam, who is the god of hell. So he's basically the judge. Like, you're going to the hell or you're going to the heaven. So he's the judge. When someone dies, 저승사자 come to the dead body and brings their spirit to the King Yeomlam. Western Grim Reaper is like killing you, but Korean one is more like a guide. I mean, there's a super long way. I don't know the story. Like, you gotta cross the river with a boat. There's like a 삼도천, I think that's what it called. That's the river that you have to cross it, and once you cross it, you can go back to the real world. They guide you to get to King Yeomra safely. That's what Korean Grim Reaper is. And on their internet, they sometimes be nice and let you take care of your thing that you couldn't done for 2 or 3 days. Like, they give you like 2 or 3 more days so you can finish what you have to do. Wrap it up your thing. So they're pretty nice. So Korean Grim Reaper is based on the Buddhism. So there are 7 or 8 hell, and Grim Reaper will take you to all different hell to get judged 8 times or 7 times. And once you get through it, once you're nice enough to get through all of it, you're gonna finally get to the King Yeomra. And King Yeomra will decide whether you're innocent or guilty. And I think you can either go to the heaven or be born as a human. I'm not that Buddhist, so I'm not very accurate, but like the best thing is like you born as a human again, I think. I'm not sure. Take that.
Really? Fucking good.
That's it for today's episode, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys want to know Korean ghosts or Korean mythical creature, please let me know in the comment down below. Then I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. And I hope everyone have a spooky Halloween. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week. 안녕! 귀여운 내 친구 꼬마 도깨비